What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw a gumball. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw two large ovals for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw that same size oval on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now I'm going to draw two smaller ovals in the center of each eye. So we're going to start back at the top on the left, go all the way around, and then up. Then again, just repeating that on the right side. I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of each pupil. Now with the eyes in place, let's move down and draw on the top of the nose. We're going to start from the bottom of the right eye. We're going to bend this across towards the left eye, round this out, come across, then back up. Along the top, let's draw a small curve for the nose, coming down and up. And then from the bottom, angle this down and then out. Let's go to the bottom and open up the mouth. We're going to come down, round up the mouth, and just pull that back up towards the right corner. Let's add a tooth with a straight angled line. Step down, add a curve for the tongue, going out and then down. Now just above each eye, we're going to draw two thick eyebrows. Let's start with a curve along the bottom, coming up and then in. Line it up on the right. And we want to round out the ends and then round out the inside. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now that we've drawn the face, we want to surround this with the head. So let's move over towards the left side. We're going to bend this up, curve this in around the eyebrow. Just going to flatten off the top with a slight curve, going out towards the right. Round at the top, come down, and then bend that in. Now let's go back over towards the left side. We want to bump out the cheek. We're going to go out, around, and then in. And we'll close off the bottom, coming in just underneath the mouth, and then bending that up. Now on the left side, we're going to draw two angled lines going up and then in. And then on the right, we're going to draw three. So we'll start with the one on the top, just sort of aiming towards the center of the face. Along the top center of the head, we're going to draw the ear. We're going to go up, round this out, and then come down. And then over on the right side, let's draw on the right ear. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Gumball. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.